They called it the Wehrmacht, a war machine built on precision, engineering, and devastating firepower. While the Allies relied on mass production, Germany relied on technological superiority. From the potato masher to the bone saw. Today, we rank the top 20 German army weapons of World War II. We explore the slang, the fear, and the lethality. Let's open the arsenal. The Infantry Essentials, standard issue. Karabiner 98K, the absolute backbone of the German Lancer. Weighing 3.9 kilograms, this bolt-action rifle fired the powerful 7.92mm Mauser round. Reliable and accurate, it was the standard issue from day one. While American GIs had semi-autos, the German soldier trusted his car with his life. Stihlhandgranate 24, iconic for its shape. The British called it the potato masher. It weighed 0.6 kilograms. Its long wooden handle allowed soldiers to throw it much farther than Allied grenades. It relied on blast effect rather than shrapnel, clearing trenches with a deafening concussive boom. Luger P08, the officer's pride. Weighing 0.8 kilograms, it was known for its unique toggle lock action. Allied soldiers prized this above all else, calling it the ultimate war trophy. But it was dangerous. Many soldiers were killed by booby-trapped Lugers left behind by retreating Germans. Walther P08, the modern workhorse. It weighed 0.8 kilograms and replaced the expensive Luger. It was rugged, reliable, and cheaper to make. 1.2 million were produced, arming everyone from tank crews to the Feldgendarmerie, the military police. MP40, often wrongly called the Schmeisser by the Allies. Weighing 4 kilograms, this 9mm submachine gun was the mark of a veteran. Due to its distinctive sound, American troops also nicknamed it the burp gun. With over 1 million made, it defined the image of the Blitzkrieg. Elite firepower, advanced small arms. Gewehr 43, the German answer to the American M1 Garand. It weighed 4.4 kilograms, a semi-automatic rifle with a 10-round magazine. It gave the German sniper a faster follow-up shot, but to the troops it was complex and often prone to jamming in the mud of the Eastern Front. FG-42, the Fallschirmjäger rifle. Designed specifically for Hitler's paratroopers, it weighed 4.2 kilograms. It was a marvel of engineering, capable of firing like an SMG but hitting like a sniper rifle. Only 7,000 were made, making it the holy grail of collectors today. STG-44, the Sturmgewehr, storm rifle, the father of all modern assault rifles. Weighing 4.6 kilograms, it fired a revolutionary intermediate cartridge. It was the weapon every soldier wanted, but few could get. It changed the very definition of infantry warfare. Flammenwerfer 35, the skin peeler. Weighing 36 kilograms fully loaded, it could project a stream of liquid fire up to 25 meters. It was a psychological terror weapon. Often the mere sight of a flamethrower operator was enough to make bunkers surrender. The Buzzsaws, machine guns. MG-34, the precision killer. Weighing 12 kilograms, it fired 900 rounds per minute. It was machined like a Swiss watch, which was its flaw. It hated the Russian dirt. Yet in the hands of a skilled crew, it laid down a wall of lead that no infantry could cross. MG-42. The Americans called it Hitler's Buzzsaw. The German troops called it the Knochensäge, the bone saw. Weighing 11.6 kilograms, it fired a terrifying 1,200 rounds per minute. The sound wasn't a rat-a-tat, it was the sound of tearing canvas. It remains the deadliest machine gun of the war. Heavy killers, artillery, and anti-tank. Panzerfaust, the armor fist. A disposable tube weighing just 6 kilograms, it allowed a teenager to kill a tank. It was the weapon of the Volkssturm, the People's Storm in the final days of Berlin, turning the ruined city into a graveyard for Soviet armor. Panzerschreck, the tank terror, Germany's answer to the bazooka. Weighing 11 kilograms, it fired an 88mm rocket. Troops called it the Ofenrohr, the stovepipe, because of the smoke it belched out. It gave infantry a fighting chance against the steel wave of Shermans. Nebelwerfer 41, Allied troops, terrified by its sound, called it the Moaning Mini or Screaming Mimi, a 6-barreled rocket launcher that howled as it fired. It didn't just kill with explosives, it shattered the nerves of anyone unlucky enough to hear it coming. Flak 88. The soldiers simply called it the 8-8. Weighing 7 tons, it started as an anti-aircraft gun, but became the ultimate tank killer. Whether in the sands of Africa or the snow of Russia, if you heard the crack of an 8-8, it was already too late. The Iron Beasts, Panzers. Stug 3, the infantry's best friend, not a tank but an assault gun, low profile and turretless. German infantry loved the Stug because it stayed close to them, blasting bunkers and machine gun nests. It was the unsung workhorse of the Wehrmacht. Panzer IV, the Rotbart. Weighing 25 tons, it was the only German tank in production for the entire war. While the Tigers got the glory, the Panzer IV did the dirty work, serving as the spine of the Panzer divisions until the bitter end. Panther, the perfect predator. Weighing 45 tons, it featured sloped armor copied from the Soviet T-34. It was designed to restore German superiority. Fast, lethal, and feared. Many experts consider it the best tank of the entire war. Tiger I, the monster. Weighing 54 tons, it created a phenomenon known among Allied troops as Tiger Phobia. Soldiers were so afraid of it that they would report every German tank they saw as a Tiger. It took 5 Shermans to kill one, and usually the Tiger took 3 of them with it. Tiger II, the Königstiger, the ultimate expression of German engineering excess. Weighing nearly 70 tons with impenetrable front armor, it was a mobile bunker, terrifying to look at, but often defeated by its own weight and lack of fuel. A dying empire's last roar.